How to create a mining bot on Telegram. Creating a mining bot on Telegram typically refers to stimulating a click-to-earn or virtual mining game. Here is how you can create it. So open your Telegram first, just like this. Now, tap onto the search bar right here at the top and search for the BotFather. Type @BotFather, just like this, and search for it, and simply tap on it just right here. Then tap on to start right here. Now here you can find the new bot right here. Select it. Now you will simply create a new bot. Now here you can see how are we going to call it. Please choose a name for your bot. Now from here simply type crypto mining bot, just like this, and send it. Now you can see you have set a username. Now simply copy the API token provided and you will need this to connect your bot. And that's it. This is how you can create a mining bot in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.